Hi everybody, want to show you how to install the Access Limited Edition truck bed cover. And this premium truck bed cover comes with all the bells and whistles, LED cargo light, extra seals for the tailgate. Here's everything you're going to get in the kit, everything from tonneau cleaner to cargo grabber holders, extra seal, LED cargo light. First, you're going to clamp the side rail onto the inside lip of the truck bed. Use some hand clamps. You're going to need a 1/2 inch ratcheting wrench or a 1/2 inch wrench. And you want to make sure that you have the rail clamped on level. That's going to give you the best performance. And of course, by the tailgate area, you want to make sure the rail that touches the bed rail is a tick above the bed rail, so when the cover over centers, it will over center nicely onto the tailgate. You're going to clean the front of the truck bed and install the element seal after you've installed both rails onto the truck bed. This is extra seals to keep the water out of your truck bed. If you notice on the clamps that we use, if they come with tie-down rings. Anyway, here's the XT dial tension adjusters. You would install them to the covered unit, as shown there, and then also on your tie-down strap, make sure you unhook it so when you put the cover up front, the straps go into the inside of the bed. So put both tension adjusters on the cover unit, and then you're going to place it up front. And you're going to make sure your fabric seal in front of the cover is tucked underneath. You're going to slide the tension adjuster into place. There's a hole in the rails of which another 1/2 inch nut and bolt fit into to attach them to the side rails. And you're going to use your wrench to tighten it up. You're going to repeat that on both sides. You're also going to fasten down the cover unit. So you're going to tighten those down. Make sure that the cover unit is centered on the truck bed, so that way when it rolls out, both sides of the cover overhang onto the hook and loop equally. Now you can see Joe, who's installing the easy retriever that you get with his tonneau cover, the holder for it onto the rails. You are going to need a Phillips screwdriver to do this. Cargo grabber comes in handy if you don't feel like rolling up your cover and want to get something out of the front of the bed. Now Joe's going to put on the battery-powered LED light. It's a light that just sticks onto your truck bed, so clean the area. It has a 5-minute auto shut off, so if you forget to turn it off, it'll automatically shut off. We're installing it there because now the cover also comes with a tailgate gasket, the Trail Seal tailgate gasket. It's a cut, peel, and stick application, so you want to clean the area. Of course, each tailgate's a little bit different, so you want to use your mad engineering skills on the best way to install it in the location. We're kind of putting it on the inside here. So we left, when we mounted the LED cargo light, we left a little extra space there. Now we're going to do the other side, and then we're going to do the lower tailgate area. The adhesive is really strong, so after it has fully set, it's going to be really hard to remove it. We're putting this on this Dodge with the seal, the bulb of the seal downward, so that way the tailgate closes nicely, but still seals up the truck bed. There it is. You can see the LED cargo light at work, and voila, you're done. These are available at RHRSwag. Join us at RHRSwag.com.